এখন আমরা আলোচনা করছি টেবিল টেনিস ইভেন্ট বিভিন্ন ক্যাটাগরিতে। টিম ক্লাস 9 to 10 মেন ক্যাটাগরি, এইচ লিয়ান, ওয়াই কিউ জাও, চাইনিজ প্লেয়ার উইন গোল্ড মেডেল। এল ক্যাটস অ্যান্ড আই মাই, ইউক্রেন প্লেয়ার উইন ব্রোঞ্জ মেডেল। অ্যান্ড অস্ট্রেলিয়ান প্লেয়ার, নাম নেই এখানে, অস্ট্রেলিয়া উইন সিলভার মেডেল অ্যান্ড নাইজেরিয়া উইন অলসো ব্রোঞ্জ মেডেল। Single class in singles class for women category, Zhao Ying, Chinese player win gold medal. Indian tennis table tennis player Bhavina Patel win silver medal, and Chinese players Zhang Miao and Gu Ziadan win bronze medal. Single class 5 main category, Valentin Beus, Germany player win gold medal. Chao Ning, Chinese player win silver medal. Jack Hunter Spive, United Kingdom player, and Ali Ozturk, Turkey player, win bronze medal. Next, single class 1 main category, Zhou Yong Dai, South Korean player, win gold medal. Kim Haeyeon, UK, win silver medal. Nam Ki win and Thomas Matthews win bronze medal. Class 3 men singles category, Fen Panfeng, Chinese player, win gold medal. Thomas Skimberger win silver medal. Zai Jiang and Jensen van Emburg win bronze medal. Next category is singles class 3 women category, Zhu Zuan, Chinese player, win gold medal. Alina Kanova win silver. Yong Ji Yu and Lee Mi Jiu, two South Korean player, win bronze medal. Next, we discuss about Tokyo Paralympic 2020, some events. We discuss now wheelchair tennis tournament event. Let's start. Quad singles mixed category, gold medal winner is Australian player Dylan Alcott. Then silver medal winner is Netherlands player Sam Schroeder, and Niels Vink, Netherlands player, win bronze medal. Next category is women's singles. Netherlands player Daidi de Groot win the gold medal. Yu Kamizi, Japanese player, win silver medal, and Jordani Willi, United Kingdom player, win bronze medal. Next event, men's singles. Shinjo Kunida, Japanese player, win gold medal. Tom Egberink, Netherlands player, win silver medal, and Jordan Reid, United Kingdom player, win bronze medal. Quad doubles mixed category, S Schroeder and N Vink, Netherlands player, win gold medal. D Alcott and H Davidson win silver medal. M Morrissey and K Sugeno, Japanese player, win bronze medal. Next event is women doubles. A Vankrot and Daidi de Groot, Netherlands player, win gold medal. L Suker and J Whaley, Jordani Whaley, United Kingdom player, win silver medal. Yu Kamizi and M Othani, Japanese player, win bronze medal. In doubles main category or main doubles category, S Haudit and N Pfeiffer, France player, win gold medal. Jordan Reid and A Hewitt, United Kingdom player, win silver medal, and M Skiffers and T Egberink, Netherlands player, win bronze medal.